Hi beautiful people, my name is Jimmy from the Webonaut. I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we're gonna have an interview of Sebastian Misniakiewicz, the team lead of the local team from WordCamp Europe 2026 in Kraków, and he's explaining us how Kraków has been selected as a host city. So without further ado, let's roll the tape. Hi Sebastian. Welcome.
Hi, Jimmy.
Thank you very much for nice to meet you too. Thank you for welcoming us in your beautiful city.
Yeah, you really enjoy it?
I absolutely
happy,
love
so
it. Yeah,
I'm very happy.
It is really, really nice. I was just wondering, for anyone that would like to welcome the WordCamp in their city, how does that work? How is the application process? And how did you got selected?
Well, so when I joined the Polish community, it was 2023. There was only one WordCamp in Poland.
Yeah.
I was, let's call it, forced to attend it because a friend of mine said to me, you have to attend WordCamp. I asked him why, and he said, because, just do it.
Just because.
So I went. I saw something like this, a lot of people talking, etc. And I thought to myself that maybe I will do it in my city, in Kraków. And in next year, 2024, we had not one WordCamp in Poland, but four.
Yeah.
And draw the attention of WordPress Foundation.
Yeah.
They contacted our Polish community and asked, what do you think about maybe applying for organizing WordCamp Europe? It was a bit tricky because we had 2 weeks to apply. And some people said, no, we don't have enough time. And I said, come on, we have to use it.
We have to make it.
So we've done it, but we lost with Basel. We were in final, we lost in Basel. And then I said, okay, please give us one another try. We will make, now we have more time. We prepare so great application that you, I hope, have to choose us. And so now we are in Kraków.
And now we're in Kraków. All right. And what is the process? What did you have to do in order to during the application to be able to?
Yeah, the most important issue is to find a venue.
Yeah.
Because it must be big enough for 2,000 till 3,000 people in a good location, and also the space is very important because the tickets price is very low, as you know.
Yeah.
So we need sponsors, and sponsors need potential customers.
Yes.
So we have to attract them. So that is why I hope that they are very happy because there are a lot of people wandering and visiting the booth. So the venue, but the most important I think is the community.
Yeah.
Because you have to work on it to attract not only people from outside your country, but it would be not so okay, I think, if only organizers attend WordCamp in our country.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong, we have almost 1,000 Poles here. And I'm really happy because it means that our community is very strong.
Yeah. We're at day 2 today. How has it been so far? Did you get nice feedback from people? Did you hear anything specific or?
Yeah, you know, I'm a bit strange guy because if somebody is telling me that it's nice, I'm saying okay, but what can be approved? This is a bit disadvantage maybe, but it is helping me to organize something because I put a lot of stress on details. Yeah. Because details are important. And also, if you are putting stress on details and you forget about 1 or 2 small details, then still people maybe do not take them into account, do not notice them. And for the time being, I think that they are happy when I'm now looking around me.
Yeah, I mean, myself, I can talk for myself only, of course, but it's been an amazing organization. I think the venue is absolutely amazing. You did a fantastic job choosing this one. And the city is just so beautiful. And it feels so good to be in a place where there is so many people coming together where it's so beautiful and we can enjoy the culture, see another part of Europe as well. It's been a great experience as well for us.
Kraków used to be a former capital of Poland, so we have a castle, and as you said, there is a very great number of places you can visit. So I'm happy that you really enjoy it.
Yeah, thank you. And do you have some predictions of where we will be going next year? If you know it, don't say it.
So soon we will know about it, but for sure it will be another country with strong community, and I cannot wait closing remarks to hear about it.
Thank you so much, Sebastian. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
I'll speak to you soon.